In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's viewpoint on C98 future while talking about the COIN98 cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, by and large remember that you ought to think about this and any extremely other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything especially is an unpleasant errand, generally not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like COIN98, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Presently, we should head into it, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Before we dig profound into the COIN98 value expectation and answer questions in the event that C98 is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will C98 succeed or come up short, or for what reason will COIN98 value rise or drop? We should rapidly sort of toss a look at what C98 generally is and its to-date history in a very kind of significant manner. C98 value expectation for the in every way that really matters. Next 10 days. The entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an essentially complete breakdown, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin basically has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an unobtrusive manner. When really add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon fundamentally basically is dim, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town in a truly significant manner. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into genuinely sort of additional steady business sectors. Crypto truly is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction in a significant manner. Our algo still sees a green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in an unobtrusive method of some kind or another. This generally is especially reflected in our 2023 expectations, or so they in a real sense thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to basically find a base before we can move the other way and essentially especially alter the course incredibly in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the sort of next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, sort of most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. We sort of expect whales and other greater players in the market to sort of wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike in an unobtrusive manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task. Essentials that we by and large assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical by and large sort of potential, and a few other fundamentally exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which especially is very huge. 2023 0126 plus 6.78% $0 2342 2023 0127 plus 3.15% $0 2262 2023 0128 plus 6.48% $0 2335 2023 0129 plus 3.17% $0 2262 2023 0130 plus 1.56% $0 2227 2023 01 312.11% $0 2147 2023 02 012.77% $0 2132 2023 02 025.50% $0 2072 2023 02 03 plus 4.10% $0 2283 2023 02 04 3.80% 21 cents. COIN98 value expectation 2023. High expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we fundamentally take the inner crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 generally isn't looking excessively kind of great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of certainly exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip sort of lower with every minor market quake in an unpretentious manner. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise, which is very critical. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 8.90% $0 1998 2023 Blemish 28.27% $0 1573 2023 APRA 26.69% $0 1608 2023 May 19.43% $0 1767 2023 Jun 5.24% $0 2078 2023 Jul 3.73% $0 2111 2023 Og plus 6.76% $0 2341 2023 Sep plus 15.01% $0 2522 2023 Oct plus 21.76% $0 2670 2023 Nov plus 30.30% $0 2857 2023 Dec plus 36.56% $0 2995 2024 Jan plus 47.00% 32 cents C98 Value Forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees C98 coming to 56 cents in 2025. What will C98 especially be essentially worth in 5 years, or so they thought? The cost of C98 in 5 years could truly lie around 49 cents, which is very critical, which is genuinely huge. COIN98 Value Expectation 2030 to 2040 What COIN98 will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees COIN98 coming to $1.41 in 2030. What COIN98 will truly be in every practical sense, genuinely worth in 2040. Our determining model sees COIN98 coming to $2.82 in 2040 in a sort of enormous manner. Will COIN98 truly swap, generally outperform, fundamentally surpass Bitcoin? No, COIN98 won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could COIN98 at any point in a real sense reach $100 all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Indeed, COIN98 could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Might COIN98 at any point reach $1,000 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for COIN98 to really reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period, as opposed to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Is COIN98 truly worth purchasing? We in every way that really matters, essentially are backers of tolerably hazardous financial planning. Contribute the greater part of especially your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a container of kind of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain in a significant manner. Thus, in this specific situation, COIN98 merits purchasing, or so they thought, which in every practical sense is very critical. Is COIN98 a wise speculation, which especially is genuinely critical? COIN98 is, very much like for all plans and purposes other digital currencies, a dangerous speculation in spite of prevalent thinking. It truly does for the most part have a lot higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, which is genuinely huge. How particularly will COIN98 be worth, which is very huge in an unobtrusive way? For the genuinely momentary future, it could reach 12 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $1.41 or significantly higher. For what reason will COIN98 explicitly succeed and truly become more expensive, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? COIN98 for